go straight at the four-way.
Okay.
You like winter?
Not really.
No, I don't like it either.
I just came back from Florida, so
Oh,
this is a
jeez.
bummer.
To this?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got record temperatures here over the holidays. Like the highest temperatures since 1965. I couldn't believe it.
Oh wow.
What was it in Florida?
It was actually pretty cold. It
Yeah?
was like 22. They were calling
okay.
for like 30s,
Yeah.
and then ended up getting colder.
Yeah. Yeah, that is cold for Florida. 22, yeah.
There was one day before we left, it was like 16. We were getting a freeze at night.
I couldn't believe it there. One time I was out in Cuba and it was like 30 something, and one of the cleaners had a parka on, and I'm like, what the heck is going on? It's not that cold.
Yeah, no.
Not 30. It was 26, and that was cold for them.
Yeah, I know. It's
Yeah. Here we are all running around in shorts and
Yeah, shorts when it's like 16 out.
Yeah. At the lights up there, we're gonna keep going straight. Here's an old truck. He's still in forward gear. So to find your position here on the roadway, just line your car up with the tracks on the other side of the intersection.
Okay.
So closest to the snowbank on the right.
Yeah, because there's a turn.
Yep. Somewhat of a visible line here. That's good. So now I'm just checking out the lights on either side. I'm looking at the crosswalk lights. With the crosswalk, the white crosswalk light is on. That tells me the light's going to stay green for a little longer. It may turn into an orange flashing hand. Usually they flash about maybe 17-20 times before the light turns yellow. But not at all intersections.